Hey, Bridget.
What?
What do you call a cheese that's crazy?
I don't know.
A basket queso.
Hi everybody, I'm Bridget and this is John, and every week we get drunk
And try a recipe for the first time. And this week...
we can't even
We can't
say the
even-
intro correctly.
It's macaroni. It's macaroni cheese.
Yeah, it's just boxed macaroni cheese.
Yeah, we're
That's all
done.
we're doing.
Next!
Alright guys, so today we're making it really easy and we're going to do a boxed mac and cheese. It is vegan.
So easy.
So it's not your typical Kraft mac and cheese, Velveeta, whatever sacrilege you're into.
Basically, we're not telling you how to make it. It's more of, if
Is
this
it
is
even
good.
decent? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
If
kind
it's
of
waste
more
your
of a taste
time.
test. So
Yeah.
we're going to do the traditional boil some water, make
Other
the pasta,
things,
add
you
ingredients.
make macaroni.
It's all vegan stuff. So we're going to do that and we're going to bring it back and we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. All right, we've got our mac and cheese here.
Uh-huh.
Looks like mac and cheese. So
Looks
that's,
like
that's
it.
1 point.
See what it tastes like.
That's mac and cheesy. I mean, boxed mac and cheese. It's not like the best mac and cheese I've ever had in my life, but I would say...
Is this what you vegans are used to when it comes to mac and cheese?
What? This does not taste that far off from Kraft.
Yeah, it does.
It does not.
It's not bad. It's just more of... not.
I'm going to need better adjectives here. Not doesn't tell me anything.
I'm not really sure why, but the word slime comes to mind.
What?
It's not slimy. It
It's
just
not.
tastes like if I were eating slime, this is what I would think of. But like delicious cheesy slime. It's not...
Wow, you're giving everyone the wrong impression. This is good.
It's good-ish. It's not as good as it could be. I feel like if you're vegan, you need to try harder with their cheese levels.
Well, I mean, I didn't invent the stuff.
Well, write a letter. Do your part.
I give this, I'd say 3 out of 5 Dennis's because I wouldn't even give Kraft any more than that, to be honest.
Wow, you wouldn't even give Kraft that? It's Kraft. It's
I
in
would
the
put,
name.
I wouldn't give it more than that. I would give it 3.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't give it more than that. I think this is right up there because Kraft mac and cheese, while it's good in its own right, is still a crap junk food. So 3 Dennis's.
How many?
3 Dennis's.
3 Dennis's from you. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I would also give it 3 Dennis's. Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
It's just not as good as regular mac and cheese.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It has been a while since I've had it, but
Yeah.
I think I've had other vegan...
Suck that noodle right in like a Hoover.
I've had other vegan box mac and cheeses that it's like, well, I mean, this is good, but this isn't mac and cheese. Whereas this one, it at least tastes like it's trying to be mac and cheese. So
It
maybe
is
that's what
trying.
my reference
It's
is.
trying its little heart out,
Yeah.
which increases my score
I think
because
it's
you
pretty
know
good. Yeah.
Annie wants it to be there.
Anyway.
That's the box brand, by the
Yeah,
way.
it's-
If you didn't know that.
Well, they would have seen it on the box
Would
that
they?
it showed.
Do people pay attention to things anymore? Do people read anymore? This is 2018. I wouldn't
Thanks for
read.
watching.
I don't read now.
Like,
Reading's
subscribe,
for nerds.
comment,
Pass. I'll
ignore
never do
John like I do.
it. Hey, Bridget.
What?
Did you hear about the Italian chef that died?
No.
He passed away.
Oh.
Hey, Bridget.
What?
What do you call a pasta that's sick?
I don't know.
Macaroni and sneeze.